Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. If you haven't watched them yet, I just unboxed the Pixel 3 XL and the Pixel 3. And this is the Pixel stand, the wireless charging stand that's designed for both Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. So I'm going to unbox this here, and I'm going to also show you the two phones side by side now that I've actually unboxed them. So this box is a little big. It doesn't fit well in front of my camera the way it's set up, but it's, you know, your standard retail box. It's got barcodes and warranties, and then in the back it's got some quick explanation of what this is about, and you know, it's like a nice little illustration of the Pixel stand and the front, and on the side you get the Google logo. But let's open this up, because really that's what the key, you know, the crux of the matter is. Oh, and apparently that's what happens when you open it on its side. So there's nothing else in the box, as you can see. This is just like to hold the Pixel stand in place and probably hold the loop in place. But here we go. So the Pixel stand, it is a piece of plastic and metal, I guess. It looks very kind of like a caricature of a piece of equipment. Let me move this out of the way. There it is, and you can see it. So there's I'm going to remove this little cover here. There is a hang on one second. So there is another piece of plastic down here protecting the rubber feet, I guess, of this thing. Not quite sure how you remove that. There we go. So there we are. And that has freed this beautiful piece of hardware from its shackles. There's nothing in the back protecting it, interestingly. Only the front, and then you've got this little ridge. It's all really soft plastic, almost feels like silicone. USB Type-C plug here in the back with a little cut out for the cable to go out, and you put this down, and then you put the phones down on them, on this, right? So you either put the Pixel 3 down like this, or you put the Pixel 3 XL down like this. And so I'll show you these in a second, side by side, but you can see how it sits on the stand, what it looks like. And it doesn't cover the big, about only 2/3 of the phone. It doesn't cover the fingerprint reader, which is nice because it means you can unlock it while it's on the stand, like tap back here. On the smaller phone, it let's see if it covers the fingerprint reader on the smaller phone. It does a little bit, so that's a bit unfortunate. Now, by the way, this is the not pink version, so it's slightly off-white. This is white. This is almost pink, but not quite. Yeah, so there you go. That's how it rests on the bottom down here. And then I guess there's other stuff in the box. So let's have a quick look, shall we? So there is a divider here. Nothing to see. Some documentation here that I'm, again, not going to really care to look at. And then there is, it's nice because they don't expect you to use your phone's AC adapter and cable. They included a spare AC adapter and a spare USB Type-C to Type-C cable, since this adapter is Type-C to Type-C. And I think that's all that's in the box. I'm not sure if there's anything under here, but I doubt it. Judging from the fact that I'm having a hard time removing this, I assume there's nothing else in the box. So there you have it. This is essentially the Pixel stand. Nothing to it. Very, very, very interesting design. I'm not sure how rugged this will be, this interface right here, but and now I promise you to show you the phones side by side. So for size, this is the phones. As you can see, there's a slight difference in color balance between those two displays, but there's quite a bit of a difference in size, 5.5 inch versus 6.3, and you can see the difference here between the one phone having these two chins, the other one having a chin and a notch. There you go. And then here, if I flip them over, you can see the difference in shade, right? This is not pink, what they call not pink on the right, the small Pixel 3. And the Pixel 3 XL is a white one. And you can see the green power button the orange power button. That's how you tell them apart. But there's definitely a difference in shade. But if you remove one, this now looks white. And if I remove this one, this now looks white. But if I put them side by side, you can kind of see the color temperature difference. Slightly pink, but not pink. There you go, folks. This is a quick unboxing of the Pixel stand and a side-by-side comparison of the two phones I just unboxed in the previous videos. Stay tuned for more on the channel, and subscribe, tell your friends. Of course, you realize that this this YouTube channel is a complement to my podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. So subscribe and like this video down here, but don't forget to subscribe to the Mobile Tech Podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com, also on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Overcast, Pocket Casts, Slacker, Stitcher, TuneIn Radio, everywhere. Tell your friends about the channel, tell friends about the podcast. We'll be discussing these phones in great detail on the show. Cheers, everybody.